Hi, I'm Olivia and I am a senior research executive at a market research company. I would give Slack 4 out of 5. Initially, my company was using Skype as their way of contacting internally. However, it doesn't meet the GDPR requirements that we needed in the UK. And so we wanted to move to something that would be GDPR compliant, that was simple, that everyone could access easily. Another competitor that we looked at was Microsoft Teams. However, my company is very small and we don't have an internal IT department, and the setup for that can be quite fiddly, so we wanted something that was easy to set up as well. My company chose to use Slack because it had a free starter option, so we could test whether it worked for the company without having to make a full expense trial. Also, the setup was incredibly easy. We had heard of people that had used it in other companies and they really enjoyed it. And the pricing for the full price service was really reasonable and in line with our expectations. It also had all the features that we wanted. Some of those were even as quirky as just being able to insert GIFs. The onboarding of Slack in our company was a relatively simple process. We had one member of our internal IT team just take on the setup of it for the entire company, so that's for around 50 people. And then they just did an hour-long training for everyone on how to use it and how to use the features. And then they set up some of the internal teams and taught us how to set up groups to talk to one or two of our colleagues. I would recommend getting Slack if you want an easy-to-use interface that people can quickly understand. There are a few things that are worth considering. The free version will let you have one-to-one calls with your team members, but if you wanted group calls, then you'll have to go for one of their priced options, and these start at around $5.25. Also, if you have the free version, it saves up to 10,000 of your last messages, but if you want to have the full message history, then you'll also want the priced option. But again, it's quite affordable for the whole company, in my opinion. But you'll have to see whether it works for your company, and the size of your company might have an impact on that.